Froggy here. So today, you might be wondering why I have something covered up in a blanket. Now we're taking off the blanket. It's a Macintosh SE from 1990. This is what the Macintosh looked like. The floppy disks. It's kind of hard to put in the floppies while I'm holding something else, but I can. And this is like the original. This is like the keyboard that they had. Obviously, this computer does not work because I'm just gonna go inside the screen for you. This is what it looks like inside the Macintosh. It's really dark. So this is what it looks like inside. So that black space is inside the Macintosh. But the part where the floppies are, I made some holders for the floppy disks. It's just doing like not that much of the disk is inside because I needed to take the disk out. I need to take the disk out I need to take the disk out if I needed to. So I made the disk holders because I hot glued the top. So if they fell in, I won't be able to retrieve them. So now I can retrieve them. I can get them back whenever I put them in because there's a holder in there. This is all made out of cardboard. It might come to a surprise with you, but there is zero plastic used in this computer. There's zero plastic used in this computer. Only cardboard. There might be some hot glue, but that doesn't really count. That's just what's holding it together. There's like this part that just is falling off. So I think I might have to hot glue that later. So that's what it looks like in there. Inside the Macintosh, so that's what it looks like inside there. I put a lot of reinforcements in here. When I was building it, I put in a lot of reinforcements. So the Macintosh doesn't collapse. So I'm like using it. I can't use it, but I could pretend that I'm using it. Because I have a mouse. What was I doing? I don't know what I was doing. So, this is my current mouse that I'm using. This is my current mouse that I used to play games. So this old mouse is what they used to play games with back in 1990. My dad is over there doing stuff with our shrimp. If you didn't know, we have shrimp here. We have 6 blue bolts. So this is the old Macintosh. It's the old Macintosh mouse and computer and keyboard. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss out on any other videos. Bye!